Good morning, everybody. Donna just dropped me off. Now we're going about 38 miles into the Everglades Visitor Center, and we'll be on levees all day. But yeah, I ain't got hardly anything with me, so we should be able to just fly down this. I just got the essentials and yeah, basically slap packing with the bike. Yeah, should be an absolutely beautiful ride. So many butterflies. I don't know if y'all can see them. Yeah, the city's just right over there. And then we're in the middle of nowhere. What's up, everybody? Just got back up, dropped back off at the Everglades Visitor Center. Huge thanks to my friend Donna and her husband. Such awesome people. Took a 0 day yesterday and got episode 4 uploaded. Well, edited and uploaded. And we'll make our way over to the Southern Glades Trail, and we'll be on it until we hit Highway 1 and cross over into the Keys. Yeah, this is gonna be the final episode of Florida Divide. Yeah, I don't know why, but I had to stop the video a minute ago because I was just getting really emotional. Whole ride back here, just like all the memories of this whole entire trip, all the people I've met, all the things I've seen. White Mountains bike tour to Maine, and then to Roanoke, Virginia. Before that, DC to Tallahassee, Florida. And now we're going Tallahassee to Key West. And we even threw in six times on the Gap in CNO and a Ohio to Erie. Over 6,000 miles. And we got 124 left. Holy shit. Not as much traffic as I thought there was, so we're just heading back on to the route from the road. Got about a half mile. Made it back to the route. Man, if shoulder stays like this, it's gonna be awesome. Made it to Key Largo. We got 108 miles to Key West. Holy shit. Dude just brought all this over here. That is awesome. Good morning, everybody. Just got packed up. I'm ready to take off. Yeah, I got a campsite here at something Penny campground in Key Largo. And yeah, we made it to the Keys yesterday. Yeah, not really sure where I'm heading today. I got a place I could stay or camp in Marathon right before the 7 Mile Bridge, but I might want to go a little bit further because the 7 Mile Bridge is right after that, and we got a tailwind all day today basically, but tomorrow the wind's going to change a little bit later in the morning. So, and on the 7 Mile Bridge you're completely exposed to the wind, so I don't know, we'll see where we end up going, but Marathon is about 55 miles, so if I go past there it would be almost 70 miles, so we'll see. Morning, everybody. Just left my friend Donna's friend's house. Camped there last night. We did like 56, 57, something like that. We got 51 miles left to Key West, to the southernmost point. Stopped at the store, got me a Mountain Dew, and we got about 2 miles and we'll be starting the 7 Mile Bridge. I don't know how I feel about that. Starting 7-mile bridge. It'll be a little sketchy, we got a crosswind. Whew, made it across. Sorry I didn't record a thing going across that. It was pretty sketchy. Like, I handled it no problem, didn't get sketched out, but there's a couple moments it was really bad. Like, we got a humongous, strong crosswind when I was going across that. Still do every once in, probably still will. Yeah, with all these bags, crosswind really affects you. But we made it. Now I'm staying on this as long as I can now. I've had enough of that. 16 miles left. Man, it is windy as crap today. That's why I haven't videoed a lot. It's like every time I take my hand off the handlebar to record, I get a huge gust of wind and it's trying to blow me into traffic or the side one. Yeah, the Keys have been absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's kind of the same views looking out, but for someone that's never been to the ocean, it's pretty daggone cool. Just being able to look out and just see nothing but water and these little islands and stuff. Oh, I just ran into somebody that follows me, and yeah, a while back he got me the Dr. Jones bag, and yeah, I just met him. He's doing the same route I've been doing, the Eastern Divide route, and he was saying that I inspired him to do it. That is so cool, so cool. And he has my dream bike. He's got the Jones. Yeah, that's going, however I can afford to, that's the bike I'm wanting to get. It's the Jones, probably the short wheelbase or the long wheelbase. But he's got the long wheelbase and that thing looks pretty sweet. Yeah, best of luck to you, brother. It's an awesome route, especially Florida. You're gonna have a blast, man. 12 miles to go. Chickens everywhere. miles to go. Holy shit. Man, I do not want this to end. Come far. Crazy. New Hampshire, Vermont, New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Maryland, Virginia, Tennessee, North Carolina, Georgia, Alabama. Get down there. Holy cow, y'all. Almost there.
I'm gonna keep on running.
Yeah.
Gotta go on.
Yeah. Over 6,000 miles to this point. Holy shit.